Baby? There's a baby birdie in a cup. And it's alive. I found it in my mom's car. How crazy. Wait, don't hear him. Honey, are you okay? I hope it's going to be okay.
Yeah, it'll be okay because it couldn't have been in the car very long.
Well, when did you get home?
Well, it happened last night or something. It's just learning how to fly. It doesn't know not to get in the car.
Oh, poor baby. Hi, baby birdie. Hi, honey. Look how small you are. Okay. You be okay? You feel better now that you're out of the hot car? Okay. It's okay. Hope you feel better. Happy spring. Yeah? Get some water, okay?